The International Marine Products Company, CIMEC, celebrated the opening of the fish canning and value-added complex in the Special Economic Zone in Duqm, CZ, marking the start of commercial operations of the factory that produces more than 100 million cans of tuna annually. The project seeks to provide job opportunities and contribute to the local economy. The opening ceremony was held under the auspices of His Excellency Dr. Saoud bin Hamoud Al-Habsi, Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Water Resources.
What we have seen today is a sizable investment to process fish. It's part of an integrated area that is marked for fish processing and food processing. So we have 7 factories already in Duqm, which complements other factories that are available in Raisut and in Salalah Free Zone. What we have added to this now is that we have designated an area for meat processing as well, because the location of Duqm, the 2 ports, Port of Duqm, the fishery port, are able now to invite investors from around the world, but also products from our seas and other seas to be processed in Duqm. And the specification of this particular project is at the highest standard. That's why we were able to obtain international certificates. We would like to make use of the FTA with the United States of America and our also GCC FTA with Singapore, so we could also reach out to American markets, Asian markets. But right now we concentrate, of course, as you know, into the area. The GCC is a big importer of tuna and sardine, and we feel with this addition we are able to go to the next step. We are also developing now the specifications for the new roads, for the quarantine, because we would like to make this as one of the biggest clusters for fish processing, food processing, which includes also meat and vegetables in the future.
We do take sustainability as an important fact when it comes to sourcing our raw materials from the sea as well as the production. The facility got one of the largest ETP facility to purify the water and reuse it again, especially for the water that's used for thawing and cleaning the fish. We also going to have a contract with one of the local SMEs in order to have a solar power supply to the facility. It's going to supply around 15 to 20% of the solar power. We do have contracts for most of the SMEs when it comes to the logistics support, and also sourcing the ingredients for the product that we usually get it from the local market. Therefore, we do take into consideration the in-country value as an important fact or philosophy when it comes to our business model.